Hello and welcome to Short Research Tutorials. I'm Paige. I'm going to help you navigate our library. Have you ever wanted to save time on writing citations and keeping sources organized? Today I'll show you how to use Refworks, also known as EndNote Plus, so you can easily create citations and bibliographies. Let's begin at the MyRegent portal and click on Library Resources to take us to the library website. From here, I'm going to search the title of the source I'd like to cite. I'll search Little Women. Now I see there are 5 versions found. I'm going to click on See All Versions, then select the one I'd like to cite. I want to cite this physical copy that we have in our general collection. Underneath this heading Send To, I'll click on this icon RW, Refworks. This will link me to the external Refworks site. As a note, if it doesn't automatically take you to Refworks already logged in, you can create a login by using your Regent email and setting up a password, or by signing in through your institution. Here we are at the Refworks website, and it prompts me to import the reference, and asks if I would like to assign it to a folder. Right now it says it's not in a folder, so I'll just go to the drop down and select American Lit, and then I'll hit import. Alright, now it's successfully been imported, so I'm going to click Go to Last Imported. And from here I can click on this title to make sure that all information is correct. It looks like it thinks this is an electronic source, so I'm just going to go to the pencil icon to edit it and deselect electronic source and then hit save here at the bottom. So now that information is correct. Now I'll show you another way you can save sources to Refworks. If we go to this wrench icon here called Tools, we'll find extensions and add-ons. I'm going to click on that, which will open this page. From here, I'm going to click Install Save to Refworks. This allows me to add this Save to Refworks button to my favorites bar, so I'll just drag and drop it. If it's not showing, you can go to the settings of your Chrome or whatever browser you're using, and then go to Bookmarks and Lists and choose to hide or show the bookmarks bar here, or also Control-Shift-B. You can also add Refworks to Word or Google Docs. Under this heading Refworks Writing Tools, you can continue to those downloads and installs. This allows you to easily get your references imported into your bibliography/reference page from your citations. Okay, so now let's find another source for our American Lit paper by returning to the library website. Now I'm going to search Little Men. This is the book that I'd like to cite, so I'm just going to click on this title, and then instead of clicking on this Refworks button here like we did before, I'm going to click on this Save to Refworks button in my bookmarks bar. And here I can go through and verify that this information is correct, and then hit Save to Refworks. Then I'll assign it to the folder American Lit and hit Import. Then I'll click on View in Refworks. Now again, I can go through and make sure that all information is correct. It says it's electronic again, so I'll just deselect that and hit Save. The Save to Refworks bookmark is super helpful when you want to save a source from an outside web page, like Google Scholar for example. Now let me show you how to use this on a database. Here we are on ProQuest. In this main search bar, I'm going to search for Joe's Voice. I'm going to choose this article. From here, instead of clicking on the bookmark, Save to Refworks, we're going to click on the Cite button and then hit Refworks. And then I'll choose Citation and Abstract Only and hit Continue. Now again, it takes me back to Refworks and I can assign it to my American Lit paper and hit Import. And there we are. Now we have all of our sources imported. I want to create my bibliography, so I'll hit Select All and then hit Create Bibliography here at the top. From here, it'll allow me to choose which style, and APA is what I want, so I'll just leave that there. And then I'll hit Copy to Clipboard. Remember to check that all citation information is correct before pasting it into your assignment, as auto-generated citations can make errors. Now I'll just hit Paste here. And remember when you hit Paste to choose Keep Source Formatting instead of Merge or Keep Text Only, so you get the proper format. If there's any information on Refworks that I did not cover here in this video, you can find it in our research guide. On the homepage, you can click on this book called Research Guides, and then go to How-To Guides, and scroll until you find Citation Styles and Tools, Refworks Handbooks, and more. This LibGuide will give you all the information you'll need on Refworks. Alright, that is how you import sources into Refworks and create a bibliography. Thank you for joining me on this library lesson. If you have any further questions, please reach out to us by email at librarians@regent.edu or by submitting a research question here on this page. Bye!